Hey guys, Rob with Colin's Family Adventures again, and today we're going to review the Lixada Mini Butterfly Light. Um, I've done some other reviews on the Lixada products for DJ lighting. They're not too bad. So pop this one on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for you, and we'll go from there. It's around about 25-30 bucks. What's cool is that you can either do there's a manual power cord, has an IR remote, packed pretty nice. So I bought a couple of these, so I'm going to try to slave one off of another. And these are 7-channel DMX control. So I have a little DMX controller I'm going to set up here in just a minute and see what they can do. So hold on. Okay guys, so what I'm doing is just using a standard DMX 512 controller. It's just, standard. And I got them both hooked in, and I have it slaved out to that one. Now, I don't think it truly has a full slave and options where you can fully slave it, but so I have it hooked up on the same channel for now. I'll kind of show you what menu offers. So, of course, this is the DMX side of it. Then these are some kind of presets that they have. And then you can also set the speeds of the preset. And that's what that does. So you have, I believe, let's say 8 presets, and then right here are sound activation modes. So you got this mode where, so anytime it is knocked or has a sound, it'll go off. And then the next sound activation mode is you already got a pattern going, and it kind of changes patterns a little bit during an activation part. And then one other time is where you just have it going, and then might change some stuff as well. So and then that's basically all it does. So I'll go ahead and turn off some lights and put it on the DMX side of it. I can kind of show you right now what the DMX side looks like. So channel 1 is basically just getting the lights at your throttle. All lights basically controls. So you got your red and orange on channel 2, your pink or purple and green on channel 3, and then blue and white on channel 4. And then you have the strobe feature if you have any of those going on channel 5. 6 is your speed. So if you're doing any type of rotation on there, you can rotate speed change on channel 6. And then 7, you can turn everything off. And 7 is basically where you have some preset factors. And then you can do sound activation mode through those channels as well. So that's what 7 does on the DMX side. So I'll go ahead and shut some lights off and then let you see it from the front end side. Alright guys, here we go. This is your red and yellow, or red and orange, purple and green, blue and white. And right now we're just showing you a basic video of this. We'll go in more of a setup video with it actually set up with some of my other lights and see how they'll act and intertwine with each other. So go ahead, and there's all the lights on, and then we'll kind of get a strobe effect going on. And then we'll just go to the presets that's on channel 7. I'm just going to slowly move the slider up and change the presets. It'll change the speeds and change patterns. And then once it gets into the higher number of the slider, it'll start changing to sound activation And you have 3 different levels of sound activation on this channel 7 slider. So that one looks like it stays constant speed, it's just changing patterns. So, but yeah, so that's a quick review of the Lixada 24 watt 24 watt mini butterfly that you can buy, and it's LED. And you can buy these on Amazon for about 30 bucks. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. Subscribe, like, comment, and let us know how these are. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Love to help you out any way I can. Thanks, guys.